Hi, this is Ben Squires with Alcoa Wheels Accessory Products. Today we're going to be talking to you about how to apply the multi-piece hub cover system that we have. And this is a system that you use when you have 4 or less stud threads available to you. So each set of the 77188, and actually the fronts as well, the 76188, come with 2 sets of color-coded clamps. The clamps are designed to fit around nuts or the flat horizontal dimensions of the nuts. And what you'll need to do is check which type of clamp fits better around the nuts on your setup. For the setup that we have behind me, the black gray nut actually fits better. Insert 1 plastic clamp into each nut cover, notches facing out, and turn 1 full turn. So you take the hub cover system, place it over the axle. The system should be flush with the face of the wheel. The scallop design of the hub cover accommodates for those lug nuts. You'll then take your nut cover with the clamp inside of it, and you'll press that directly on that nut cover. Give it 1 turn just to secure it. You'll then go to the opposite position, and again, you'll secure it 1 turn. It's in place. You'll take the rest of your nut covers and secure it all along the face of the wheel there. Using the plastic wrench, tighten each nut cover 4 turns or until the nut cover clamps the hub cover tightly against the wheel. With the system secured, you're ready to get out on the road. To learn more about hub cover systems for heavy-duty trucks, go to alcoawheels.com.